Okay, so we're trying to repair this. Actually, the board is broken. It's broken. It's not turning on anymore. So I have to replace the board. Anyway, all right. This is the old board. Okay, this is the old board. Um, this is enter board. Be careful when you open the lid. Alright, so what, before even start, we have to test this board first. We're going to test it, okay? Right, turn it on. Oh, we need a switch right there. Okay, so test. So the old board, don't throw it away because you could actually get the battery, the Wi-Fi card, probably the cable, even the sink. If the other one is not working, you can actually take this, replace it with this one. Okay, so don't throw it away. Let's put it to the side. Alright, the moment of truth. So we have to test it before we even put it everything. Okay, it's working. You see that? The screen is working. Okay, so you have to stop. Very nice. First thing you need to do is when you open this one, the lid, you make sure that there is a support at the back of the monitor, or the screen. Why? Because the plastic in here is that attached to the screen is they're actually fragile, which I made a mistake, so I have to glue, not glue, I have to use epoxy. Alright, so you have to have a support. And first thing that we need to do is cover it. Okay, so alright, so what we need to do is take this. So you got the mouse, speakers, alright.
Problem is there's a lot of screws and we don't know which one. I can see that this one has needs screws. Okay. And what else? I think that's it.
Okay, so you need to be careful. You have to bend this all the way down. Careful. Right. Okay, and you need a support at the back. Alright, so we will reattach everything. The speaker, 2 speakers,
and the mouse pad. And that's that.
Okay. Alright, support at the back. Alright, so let's put it in. That's the speaker. These are small parts. That's why electronic companies prefer ladies to assemble these things, because they have small hands compared to men. You just need to be patient. I'm connecting the speaker now. What?
Speakers. Alright, next is the mouse pad, or mouse, yeah, touchpad. Alright, okay.
Alright, next is the power. Okay, so let's try it again, making sure that the speaker are working. So the best screwdrivers are actually with magnets. Now, since this is not magnetized, right? You could do this. Scratch it from the magnet. Alright? Or you could even put all the screws in here, and then eventually they'll have a magnet to themselves. Look. Okay, so while you're doing, let's try it if it is magnetized. Now be careful with magnets because they interact with hard drives. Let's see. See that? Magic. What's this? See? It's not. But when you scratch it, it magnetizes. Haha! You see that? Okay. So, let's try it again. Okay, so we're finished with this one. Next is the keyboard. Go get the keyboard, please. Okay, so I have two keyboards. Give me the other one. The other keyboard is pass up. This from the old one, but still, I still keep it just in case in the future I need one keys or two keys. But yeah. Don't throw it away. Alright, so what you need to do is go get this ribbon and then connect from the keyboard.
How do you know if it's the right port or right place? Most of them are different sizes. So you will not, and plus the ribbon is actually, you can't, it's precise, meaning the size, it's not long enough to put it on this one, or it may not that one. So, first thing that you need to do is put it at the bottom first, okay? Bottom first.
Alright. Not top, no, bottom first.
Because it has a bunch of hooks.
Yeah. And then you press it down. No screws needed.
Really?
No. Now how to remove this is you have to get a very skinny,
Like this one? No?
no, it has to be flat. And then you have
Fry
to
it?
Yeah, fry it. Start from this edge or from that edge. That doesn't depends on are you leftist or rightist. But anyway, there's a clip in there. You have to push it. Once you push it,
It should be able to come out.
yeah, and then with another not screwdriver, flat head.
You fry it. There, and then, and so on. Then hold it and then push. Careful, you might have done it both sides. Yeah. Hey, careful, you probably speared something. Okay, there you go, see? It's on, and then lift it up. Let me put it back. Okay, okay, so when you hear the click, now it's firmly in. It's in. Okay, so, you continue, try again. Try again to turn it on. Okay. Okay, it's working because I got it. Then make sure that the keyboard is working. Oh! No? Delete. Oh, it's working. Yeah. Okay, just work. Alright, see? Look. So it's working. Okay, so let's continue.
Okay, so let's go at the back now. Alright.
I need your system also, please. Can I have the CD? Alright, that's the first thing that we need to do. Okay, so when I disassemble this, I remove all the screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's for the...
Uh, 2 gigabyte each. Alright. Sometimes the memory are not compatible to each other. But I'm gonna let this one stay, and if it doesn't work, then I'm gonna use the same
Memory card.
Yeah, memory. So how to put in the memory is, you see this? See the gap? You need to find that. Alright, you can't. Anyway, you cannot make mistake. Why? Because it will not fit in. But what you need to do is, if it is not fitting in, you have to flip. There you go. See right here. Okay. So you have to push it in all the way, and then push it down. Okay. Now it's secure. Okay. So.
What's next is the hard drive. This is the hard drive. The hard drive, most probably it will not put, or it will not put in properly because all one was in. Alright, so it's secure. We're not going to put the cover yet. Alright, a moment of truth. Let's take the second moment of truth.
From garbage to working computer. Ooh, I don't like that. Anyway.
Woo! Beautiful.
The mouse is working. Okay. Let's see. Keyboard is working. Alright.
Start now. Start later. Start now. Then you can story again.
Now we will test the sound if it is working properly. Okay, let's wrap it up. All right, let's do cancel. Shut down. Shut down. All right. So meaning it's working. Yay! It even worked without the power. It has a battery in it. Alright. And that's it. That concludes our review for this computer. Bye bye! I hope you Okay, don't forget to comment, subscribe. Bye bye. Free computer. Yee!